In today's video, I'll be showing you my workflow for creating unlimited social media content using ChatGPT and Social Champ. So let's go ahead and get started. The most important part of creating social media content is getting your content ideas right. So to do so, we'll be using ChatGPT. Specifically, we'll be using the new web browsing model because this allows you to get more up-to-date information, because when you're creating content on social media, it needs to be up-to-date, it needs to be trendy, and it needs to be viral. So we're going to use web browsing. We're going to use some specific prompts to help us get that content from ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and get started with that process. When I'm starting to find content ideas, what I like to do is figure out what is trending within my niche. So you can get started by simply asking ChatGPT, what are the trending news in my specific niche? For this example, I'm going to find some trending news in the AI space because that is primarily where I work in. So as you can see, we are using the web browsing mode. And as you can see here, it's going to search up on Bing latest AI news. So here we can see how the web browsing feature works. If you go on Bing, you search up that keyword, you'll be able to see all of the various blog posts about what is trending within that niche. But what the web browsing mode is going to do, it's going to gather all of the most important information from that search query. So this is really cool because it allows you to save time on research and save time on having to go through every single one of those specific blog posts. You can get all of the content right within ChatGPT. So here are some of the most recent trends and news in AI. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman had to testify in front of the Senate Judiciary Committee panel and emphasize the importance of regulating AI. IBM has been refining its AI solutions. SoftServe is using state-of-the-art technologies. The AI and Big Data Expo in North America is taking place in Santa Clara. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that was happening. The Internal Market Committee and the Civil Liberties Committee of the European Parliament have endorsed new transparency and risk management rules for AI. Apple co-founder has raised concerns over the potential misuse of AI. The question of AI regulation is being discussed. AI voice generators are gaining attention for the use and benefits, and so on. As you can see here, we're getting a lot of really useful news, really useful information here that we can then use for our social media posts, or for blog posts, or for whatever type of content we want to create on social media. So again, a lot of ideas here. What we can do is we can either create a video on any one of these topics for social media, we can create a viral tweet, we can create an Instagram caption, we can create an image for one of these specific trending news, or we can create a short form TikTok video about the news in AI. So now that we have some ideas here, there's a couple of other ways in which we can really refine this for social media. So let's say, for example, we really liked number one, which talks about the OpenAI CEO testifying in front of Senate. What we can do is we can click on that specific citation or reference, and we can open up that full article, right? So now we have the full article here. It should be on the first page. Okay, so here it is. And we can see that blog post. Now what we can do is we can copy over that URL, head back over to ChatGPT. We're going to use the plugin mode instead of using the web browsing mode. We're going to use Web Pilot, and then we're going to paste that in there. And then the prompt that you can use is create a viral, engaging, and informative YouTube script based on the information in this blog post. And as you can see, this is the output in which you're able to get back. So it's able to draft a YouTube script based on the information from the blog post. So it gives you ideas for opening shots. It has the script for the host, a cut screen. It has some scripts for the voiceover as well. And again, it goes to a host. So it's kind of a dialogue format for a YouTube video. But as you can see here, it's able to pull that information from the blog post and create a very engaging and human-like video script in which you can use. So if you're creating the video yourself, you can use this script as a format that you can follow. Or if you're doing a faceless YouTube video, you can then just go ahead and upload this script onto a text to video tool, and then you can turn that into a faceless YouTube video and upload that onto YouTube. Another prompt in which you can use is you can ask the AI to turn this into a blog post. So if you're posting this on your website, you can then go ahead and instead of creating a YouTube script, you can take that information and turn it into your own unique blog post that you can then post on your Instagram or on your website. Another prompt in which you can use is you can tell the AI to create 10 viral tweets using the information of that blog post. And we're going to paste the blog post in just for good measures, but you probably can just leave it and it will understand what exactly you're talking about, because it's already went ahead and scraped the web page above here. So as you can see here, we're getting 10 tweets based on the information of the blog post. Hot off the press, OpenAI CEO's Sam Altman testifies on the importance of AI. Did you know that AI technologies like ChatGPT and DALL-E 2 could help tackle major challenges like climate change and cancer? But OpenAI CEO emphasizes the need for regulation. This is actually really good because many people may not think of AI as being able to help these big looming issues that society has. Next up, think about it. Should there be more licensing and testing requirements for powerful AI models? Sam Altman thinks so. AI voice cloning software trained on senator speeches. It's a reality. Deep fakes. AI adoption is overhyped and fails to deliver inherent social good, argues AI experts. So, as you can see here, we're getting some really good, thought-provoking tweets that you can definitely ship off, especially if you have a Twitter following that's interested in AI content. But again, this is just one example. You can change this for any niche. So whatever niche you're in, you can follow the same format. You'll be able to get viral tweets. You'll be able to get a YouTube script. You can create blog posts, or you can create captions for Instagram posts. So again, if I wanted to, I can just change up the prompt to tell it to now create 10 viral and engaging Instagram captions. And again, it's going to take that information and create 10 captions based on the information of that blog post. You can duplicate the same process for any other one of these facts or any other one of these blog posts, and you'll be able to get unlimited social media content by following this strategy. Once you've created your content using ChatGPT, it's now time to schedule and post your content. Now, you can do this manually, but I personally like to use an automation tool, which is Social Champ, and this allows you to manage your social media and automate your social media content so that it doesn't take you as much time as it would usually have to take you if you were to manually create and then post your content yourself. So to get started with Social Champ, you need to connect your accounts. So you can connect your Twitter profile, you can connect your LinkedIn profile, Pinterest, Instagram, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook groups or Facebook pages. So once you have your accounts created, you just have to follow the same way in which you create content on Instagram. You would do the same thing on Social Champ. So you can enter your captions within this section, and then you can upload your image, and you can either post now, or what you can do is you can schedule a draft. So you can schedule it for a different time and post it whenever you would like that content to be posted. So essentially, you'll have a queue of your content there. So once you have it all set up, you can know what content you have scheduled out for the week or the week after that. And then you also have suggestions below that. You can do a bulk upload, so you can upload multiple contents for different accounts. And then so you can have a content plan for months down the line instead of having it for a couple of days. You also have the auto RSS, so you can create an RSS feed right now within this tool. And you have a couple of other features here for team management. And you also have analytics here, which allows you to understand how your content is doing. So if you head over to the calendar, again, you'll be able to see the calendar here. So if you are creating content for yourself or for a business, the Social Champ would be a really good tool, especially if you have a social media manager. And even if you're doing it solo, it does help. You can batch your upload so that you'll save time in the future. For example, I can grab one of those Instagram captions, head back over to Social Champ. I can paste that in there. I can upload an image. And they also have some free images in which you can use, and an AI Imaginator, which allows you to create AI images from your own unique prompts. So you can describe the image in which you would like to create. So for this example, we want to create an image of AI being regulated. Okay, so we'll be generating an image of an AI robot in handcuffs. And let's see how good this AI image generator is. Okay, so not bad by any means. It is nice that you're able to have this included within your social media publishing tool, but I would probably not use this for this image because it's not as high quality as I would like it to be. But we can go ahead and try this out and see how it looks. Okay, so it's being uploaded. You can see the preview of the post. So we have a robot in handcuffs, and we have the caption which we generated from ChatGPT. So we did all of this using AI. I didn't even use Canva to create this image. I didn't write this by myself. I was able to use AI to create the image and also to create the post. So that's pretty neat that you're able to use AI not only for the captions, but also to create the images. So again, this makes things a lot easier, a lot quicker. So you can definitely crank out some posts for Instagram, for YouTube, for Twitter, or for wherever you post frequently using ChatGPT and Social Champ. And once you're happy with your post, you can go ahead and post this now, or you can schedule this into the future. So that's how you would use ChatGPT and Social Champ to leverage AI to find content ideas and then turn those ideas into social media content and post it automatically on your social media. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you learned something new. If you did, let it be known by giving us a big thumbs up and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Till next time, stay well.